Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we will promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month, 80% of the sales that you bring in, which is insanity to me. And if you understand how that works, that's really good. That's the best system I've ever found. Anyway, guys, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, guys, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results here. Looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page so you guys understand that this is money coming into my real account, and I'm not trying to trick you guys. All right, so let's Right, guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. So anyway, guys, the first thing we need to do is get y'all affiliate links. These are all the links you can use here. I particularly like using this one. Right, guys, I just want to make sure I show you guys that, just in case you guys were interested in knowing that type of information. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is go to my description there. You're gonna see the first link in the description, incomespeech.com or something like that. You click on it, it's gonna take you to this page here. And what this page here is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. It talks about what it is, what you do, what it does, all that good stuff, how much money you can make, whatever, right? It talks about a lot of stuff and what they gonna do to help you do that and stuff like that. And you can make $120 monthly commission, guys. That's every single month. You get about 10 people in here. That's rent for most places, and that's all they bills for small towns. So, small towns, southern like Ohio, Georgia, places like that, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, stuff like that. That's all they bills. But anyway, what we're gonna do, guys, is simply also they also get a charity as well, as you can see here. Oh, one more thing, just in case you guys were interested, what the $25 business actually is. It's a funnel builder, guys. A funnel builder for $25 per month, and ClickFunnels is $100 per month. You can only make 20 funnels and a whole bunch of limitations, but this is $25 per month. Best deal I ever found. So you guys, if you make funnels, think about it. You know what I mean? It's a really good place to do it at, and it's very easy meticulously. Cause I know some people, some places. I remember having a lot of trouble with ClickFunnels, trying to figure out how to build funnels and stuff like that. This right here was a lot easier to understand. Also, there's videos explaining every single thing that you want. So maybe that's the reason why. I don't know. It might be. I don't know. But anyway, guys, once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, right? You just click on yes, I want in, right? And you put in all your information here. Blah 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 blah. Put all your information. Boom. You can buy the product, right? So one thing I want to mention though is this product here. You can get it for 14-day free test drive if you use my link, guys. And this is HBA Premium. Now this is gonna teach you how to do traffic. It's gonna teach you how to do all the traffic type stuff, like set up Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, set up ads, and solo ads, and stuff like that. Do you even know what a solo ad is? You know what I mean? Stuff like that. And it's constantly updated based on what's happening, what's working, what's not working, or if the rules change on the websites. That happens a lot, so you have to change how you advertise and stuff like that. They also have an AI content creation machine that you can use and help you make posts on like Instagram or something like that, or don't make headlines for YouTube or TikTok or whatever you need it for. You can do that as well. And you get all that 14-day free. Now the best part about this though, guys, link, is that if you get a sale with this product here, you keep that $100. Even though you haven't paid the product, you still have the product 14 days. So you can still make money with this product even though you didn't pay for it yet. So which is fantastic. All right, so now what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the absolute easiest way to promote this product. Easiest way possible to promote this product. 5 minutes not even 5 minutes, 30 seconds per day once you really get down to it. And I just want to show you guys this. Now you click on my link and you're going to see my second link there in the description there. It's going to take you to this page here. This is my lead gen secrets, guys. Now what this is all about, you can send emails once per day to a bunch of leads that's gonna 100 leads per day, and it's gonna constantly update, constantly get more leads. So that's what we're gonna do here, guys. Get that in. All right, and we're going to mailing system. Boom. Gonna put in that right there. We're gonna get all our leads there. We're gonna pick our next email. First, let me grab my photo. Grab my photo, just in case I don't have it on the email that I pick. Got the photo here. All right, so I'm gonna use one of the emails that ChatGPT has written for me. Just sent this one. This one. That's the email there. I just need to put my photo in. Boom. Smaller. Boom. That looks pretty good. Okay, that's the whole email. What you want to do is hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check emails. And you also want to look at it like that, guys. As you can see, this is the email that I'm gonna send. You guys can copy this email if you want to. And another reason why we want to hit preview as well is to check and see if the link works, because you can't get sales if the link doesn't work. So check that every single time before you send the email. It works fine for me. So we're gonna send an email. Boom. That's all there is to it, guys. Like I said before, just pause the video and copy the email if you want to do that. Not a big deal. I don't mind you doing it, guys. I gotta show you guys something. I gotta give you some emails or something. That's what this is what ChatGPT has written for me. If you go to the earlier episodes there, I already did it. I got about 15 of them. That's all you really need, about 15 emails to put in rotation. You just come here, pick an email, send it, done. You know what I mean? Like I just did. That's all you really need to do, but I'm showing you the whole setup. You know what I mean? So it don't take you that long. Now, one thing you got to understand when it comes to making money online is consistency. I want to make sure I wrap that up too. Consistency is the most important part. Don't worry about if your post is good. Don't worry about if it's smart. Don't worry about if your videos are good or whatever it may be. Whatever way you want to promote your product, don't worry about how good it is. That's the worst thing you could do. Sit there thinking about how this ain't good enough. I'm not going to send it. I'm going to work on it a little more. No, send it, make another one, make another one, make another one. Don't worry about how good it is. Just keep posting. Make sure you keep posting. That's the best way to make money online, guys. Don't worry about anything else. Just keep posting. Eventually, something's going to go viral and you don't have to worry about money for the rest of your life. All right. So that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.